so here we got a whole, like, I guess, HVAC kind of heaven-like in this alleyway right here. And that Bryant just turned on right there. That's nice. Just turned on right there. Anyways, here's this Goodman. Not a lot of them are running because it's a pretty muggy day. Here's this Goodman right here. It's an older Goodman, Copeland scroll. And these are heat pumps, okay. I might come back here this winter. 2019, 3.5 ton GSZ 14. It's been running, so yeah. Might try for a startup later. Here's a York, or actually, yeah, here's a York Affinity series. I'll do this and this and this and okay, yeah. Here's a York. Tech motor. I'm not sure what scroll it has. 2012 5 ton. It's called. There. And then this thing that just turned on, this Bryant. It looks new. I think that's a. Can't tell if that's an LG or a Copeland. Pretty sure it's an LG. It sounds. Actually, that sounds like a Copeland, and also that's a heat pump. It's from 2021 and it's a 3.5 ton. It's a little bit big for a 3.5. Actually, no, it's not right. Kind of want to catch that Goodman starting up a little bit later, but we'll see. Here's this other. Here's another York Alex, or here's a York Alex right here. My first York Alex. Blanket over it, and there's a reversing valve. Okay, so this thing is from 2012 as well, and this is also a 5 ton. This has also been running. Actually, looks like that's been running a while ago, so I probably could get a startup of this thing. Maybe. It's fine if I don't get it, but yeah. Here's a York Stellar. This is kind of like my neighbor's, but this thing actually, interestingly, has 3 blades. Right here. That's a Bristol. There's a reversing valve, I guess. Date's all the way down here. It's 2.5 ton from, I will decode that later. Another one here. That's been running. Most of these have been running, so not a lot of them are running. It seems like only 2 of those are running, but yeah, a lot of these have been running. So yeah, 2012 5 ton. I think all these Yorks have been are from 2012, and they're all 5 tons. Here's a Heil. Forget what type this is. I guess yeah, it's a Heil. It's nothing. Yeah, it's a Heil. It's an old Heil. I've seen these before. Copeland scroll. It smells kind of interesting. This is a reversing valve. Alright, there. Serial number. It's a bunch of X's. I'm just gonna. Okay, wait, no, there it is. Okay, I think that's from 01, and it's a 3.5 ton. That is the only one that has been running. So yeah. Mitsubishi, Mr. Slim. That's also not running. Right here. Unless it just turned on or something. Not sure. Oh, and oh wait, that's just a gutter. I thought that was turning on. Looks like this thing is from 2021. Oh, that Bryant just turned off. Very short run. It was on for not too long. I'm pretty sure this is from 2021, and this is a 1.5 ton. And then we got a couple here. We got an American Standard and a Trane that's running. American Standard Heritage 13. Bryant scroll. GE fan motor. 2010 4 ton. It's been running. There's a reversing valve. Pretty sure. And then we got a Trane XP right here. Got a Climate Tough Reciprocating. 2011 3-ton. Condensation dripping. Okay. Yeah, it's very cold and sweaty. There's a reversing valve. Not sure what motor that is, but yeah. That's it for this alley. I'll come back to this a little later. Actually got the fan delay start up on camera. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.